Now, the three-phased election for choosing a local government in Indian-controlled Kashmir has opened. The authorities deploying thousands of additional police and paramilitary soldiers in the region's 7 southern districts. The vote is the first in a decade and the first since Narendra Modi's Hindu nationalist government in 2019 scrapped the Muslim-majority region's semi-autonomy, downgraded the former state to a federally governed territory. Well, let's talk to our correspondent Navedita Kamari, who joins us now from New Delhi. Navedita, just tell us how it's going. I mean, the polls have been open there for quite a few hours now, haven't they? And what exactly people are voting for as well?
Yeah, exactly. The regional election in Jammu and Kashmir is the first phase, and it's been going smoothly. Long queues of voters are being reported across the country amid tight security. And within the first 4 hours of voting, over 27% of voters turnout has been reported. And as you just mentioned, it's a very important election as it is coming after a long gap of 10 years and the first one since the government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi stripped the region of its special semi-autonomous region and in 2019. And a total of 3 phases of election will happen. The second will be on the 25th of September, followed by the last one on the 1st of October, and the results are expected to be announced on the 8th of October. Over 8 million voters will be voting, and for them the main agenda is to regain the special status and also to restore the statehood. So it's a very crucial election for the people who want to choose their local representatives and their voices to be heard, as they have been under the rule of central government since 2014, and they say they feel alienated. So the main agenda for the voters and the political parties are to bring back the statehood of Jammu and Kashmir.
Navedita, you mentioned briefly there the high voter turnout or the need for it, and that's really crucial there, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. We expect a high voters turnout, as political experts say that it is their way of expressing their protest, and it's going to be a protest vote. And they are angry at the central government's decision to strip the state of their statehood and take away the chance of their voices to be heard. Remember, this is the only Muslim majority region in India, and they say that they have, through their legislation, were able to have their own laws pertaining to their demography and culture, and so that's why they are coming in large number. It is also an attempt at stopping the Hindu Nationalist Party of the BJP, who have been trying for years to make inroads. They are contesting in this election for over 60 of the 90 seats, and it is the BJP they are trying to stop and coming in large number to vote. So it's going to be a very interesting and a significant election, as for decades we know that the Indian-controlled Kashmir has boycotted election as a sign of protest against the Indian rule.